In today's really quick video, we're going to take a look at another offering from the Going Gear EDC Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. This video is sponsored by my friends at clickbelts.com, where you can save 15% by using the coupon code SOP15 at checkout. ClickBelts feature genuine Cobra buckles, and they are sewn right here in the USA in the great state of Texas. They've even got the really cool TSA-friendly poly Cobra buckle now. So if you're looking for a very, very strong, very cool belt, I encourage you to check out the folks at clickbelts.com. Don't forget, use the coupon code SOP15 to save 15%. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me here in the middle of a kind of a mini marathon of subscription box stuff. And this one we're going to look at now is another one from the folks at the Going Gear EDC Club. Basically, every month they send out a little package with everyday carry type stuff in it. Usually not a lot of stuff, but you know, it's a good value. I think it's like around 50 bucks a month. You can check the link in the description below if you're interested in that. So let's talk about what is in this one they sent me. And I'm so far behind on this stuff, I don't know when they sent this one or what month it was. I think this was the latest one, maybe October or whatever, but I digress. Anyway, I'm just going to show you what's in here. So first of all, it's the Exotac free key system. And I got to say, I really, really like these things. This doesn't sound like anything fancy, certainly not anything sexy, but if you've ever struggled to get keys on and off of rings, you know it really hurts your fingernails. You don't have to do it a lot, but when you do have to do it, it's a pain in the butt. Exotac came out with these, and Exotac is a good Georgia company right here close, not too far, probably about 30, 40 miles from my house, maybe 50. And they're like $6.49, so it's not very expensive, but it's a good way to keep your keys organized and easy to deal with. And then the other item in this month's box is a Kaiser Mini Sheepdog and Micarta, which is a Going Gear exclusive. And let's have a look at this. It is the one of Kaiser's most popular designs with micarta handles. Check this sucker out here. And it's a little flipper. It's the kind of a sheep's foot style blade. Very popular blade these days because it's very handy. Feels pretty good in your hand, kind of a small knife. Has a liner lock, really smooth action. Kaiser has some really, really smooth action knives, Kaiser knives, and then it has a tip-up pocket carry clip. Tip-up pocket carry clip. But man, it's smooth. You know, I'll have to stop myself or I'll be clicking this thing for the next 30 minutes. So anyway, this knife retails for $84.95. That's a pretty good value there. That gives this thing about a $90 value for this month's box. There you go. So that's the, I told you this is going to be a quick video. Maybe you didn't believe me because I too tend to ramble sometimes, but that's the Going Gear EDC Club. Another example. And you know, again, I make these videos just because to give you, you know, just kind of a library of resources you can go back and look, and if you're interested, you can see kind of what to expect. I will say this, usually the Going Gear EDC Club has some kind of knife in it almost every month, and then some other cool stuff. So you might want to check them out. They're good folks over at Going Gear, by the way. They're another good Georgia company. I like that. So that is it. This is, by the way, this is the blade steel, and this is 154 CM.
Chuck Norris and the Hulk once arm wrestled. The loser had to paint himself green.
I hope this has been helpful. Thanks to the folks at Going Gear for sending me these EDC Club packages every month so I can show them to you. As always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You are watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.